to have you with us this morning to celebrate. We have a few special remarks and then we will cut that ribbon. So it is my pleasure to talk about our friends and partners at Dare to Care Food Bank. We are thrilled to have them here with us. Thank you to Andrea Shepard, Kara Monaco, and Chad Locklear. We are so grateful for your partnership. September marks both Hunger Action Month and the month we celebrate our 95th anniversary at Publix. At Publix, we were founded, that's a round of applause, thank you. At Publix, we were founded on the principle of being involved as responsible citizens in our community and giving back and taking care of each other. And that legacy of service remains today. And so I wanted to quickly highlight our partnership with Dare to Care Food Bank. Together, they helped us hit an incredible milestone earlier this year in which Publix donated 1 billion pounds of food to our local food banks, including Dare to Care Food Bank since 2009. And then you see their beautiful truck here right out front together. We are helping to feed our neighbors in need, and Publix year to date has donated over 4 million pounds of fresh produce. Hunger affects all of us with 47 million people and 1 in 5 kids facing food insecurity. I cannot thank you all enough for the work that you do day in and day out. I know it's a passion and a calling, and it's because of you that we are making sure our community is fed. So thank you so much. It's also my pleasure to welcome our partners at Greater Louisville, Inc., our local chamber. So Dean Schlater, he is the Vice President of Business Outreach and Investor Development, and he's joined by his ambassadors and our community members, and we just wanted him to say a brief welcome.
Kim, thank you very much. Thank you to Publix for making not only a significant capital investment in Louisville, it's your second location, but also this store, each store employs a little over 100 people. And that's significant to this community, not only providing jobs, but also a wonderful place to shop. This is an absolutely beautiful store. So thank you for investing in Louisville. We appreciate it. Thank you.
And it's a privilege to welcome our local Louisville Metro Council member, Scott Reed. This is his district, and it's an honor to have you. Thank you for your support.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to District 16 Publix. I'm going to keep this very short. District 16 is a wonderful area, and I invite Crystal, if I can ever do anything for you, if our office can, please call me at any time. So everybody, enjoy your day. It's a privilege to be here, and thank you very much.
And finally, the star of the show, our store manager, Crystal.
Good morning. On behalf of Publix, I want to thank you all for welcoming Publix to your community, being so positive throughout this whole journey. And I am so excited to be here in Louisville and welcome you to your new store.
So Crystal will take great care of you here, and we are going to have her cut our ribbon. So Crystal, if you will grab those scissors. Let's grab a photo really quick. And now if everybody can help me with the countdown from 3, are we ready? 3, 2, 1. We are officially open for business. Welcome to your new Publix.
I think they want to do one of those.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Appreciate it.